triangle ABC has AC is equal to BC. CD bisects AB at D and angle CAB is equal to 55 degree. Find the angle DCB, second one angle CBD. Draw an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides equal, no? Given ABC, given what? AC is equal to BC. AC is equal to BC is given, isosceles triangle. CD bisects AB at D. AB at D bisects. CD bisects AB. Bisects means CD bisects means automatically these two will be equal. Which one? AD will be equal to BD. Given CD bisects AB at D. Angle CAB, look at CAB, is given as 55 degree. We have to find out DCB. DCB, this angle we have to find out DCB. And which one? CBD. Angle CBD. CBD. That means I will draw three lines. Okay. Given, if you are consider triangle ABC. What are the things given? Given AC is equal to AB. Given, therefore, next step, what we can write? AC is equal to AB. The next step, within seconds, you should write what?
Angle CAB is equal to angle CBD.
AC, you get AC. CBA. If you are considering triangle ABC, we are considering the whole triangle, no? So likewise you have to. So AC means opposite angle is this one. Angle CBA will be equal to what? AB. AB this one. ACB. Which one? AB. AB means what we can. AC is equal to B. What is given? AC is equal to?
Ma'am, AC is equal to BC given.
BC. Okay. BC is given. Okay. AC is equal to BC. So BC. So angle opposite of that. Angle CAB. CAB. Up to this understood, no? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
So CAB we have, no, CAB is what? CAB is 55. CAB is 55, therefore angle CBA is also will be 55. CBA, look at CBA. CBA, this we got it as what? 55. What is our question? That is, that angle only we have to find out, no? Instead of CBA, we can write it as CB. Don't go to A. Up to D is enough. That is angle CBD is equal to 55 degree. What is our question? Check it. CBD we have to find out now. First part. We got first part CBD is equal to 55. Underline that. First part. Then how to do the second one? CBD. Which one we have to find out? Next. CBD. Angle DCB, no. DCB we have to find out. So for that, if we consider this whole triangle ABC with two angles we got, then what will be the whole angle C? We are considering this triangle ABC, sum of angles of of a triangle is equal to what? Triangle.
180.
We are considering triangle ABC. Triangle is equal to 180 degree. That means what? Angle A plus angle B plus
C.
angle B plus angle C is equal to what? 180 degree. So angle A, we can write it as what? Angle A means what? Angle CAB. Whole triangle we are considering, no? CAB plus B means we can write it as angle
CBA.
A plus C. Angle
C.
ACB. Substitute the values. This angle A 55 degree. Plus again 55 degree. CAB is equal to 55. Here you write given angle CAB is equal to 55 degree. From this, you can mark it as star. Then here also we can mark which one? CBA, this one. Mark it as 2 star. So from that 2. Now look at this figure. Plus angle ACB is equal to what? 180 degree.
110 degree plus
110 degree
10 plus
ACB
AC
is
equal to
180.
180.
ACB
is equal to 180 minus 110, which is equal to 70 degree.
ACB. This whole angle we got it as what? Full we got it as 70 degrees. So one condition is there. Think and say what will be our angle BCD. That is, we got angle ACB is equal to 70 degree. We got from there we will get within a second we will get the value of angle BCD. Think of that sentence. What is given there? What is given? That line CD connection with the CD and AB is given in the question. Think and say.
Bisect
70 divided by 2.
CD bisects given what? Given CD bisects what? AB. It is there in the question. CD bisects AB. That means we know what? Bisects means two sides equal.
Equal.
What? AD is equal to BD. AD is equal to BD means what will be? Opposite of that. AD, opposite of that. Which angle? That is angle ACD.
Angle ACD equal to angle DCB.
DCB. These two angles will be equal. No. That means total
Yes.
what it has 70 means what will be this one and what will be this one?
by 2.
Divided by 2.
Yes, 70 divided by 2.
Therefore, angle ACD is equal to angle ACB by 2 is equal to 70 by 2. That is 35 degree.
35 degree.
And angle DCB is equal to
35.
35.
That is 70 by
35.
2 to 35 degree.
35.
35. Therefore, angle DCB is equal to 35. Up to this understood, no?
Yes, sir.
So either this, after this, either this way you can write, or another way, since CD bisects AB, AD is equal to BD, that is ACD is equal to BCD. After this, instead of writing this, another method you can write. This one or another method. That is, we know ACB is what? Angle ACB is what?
Angle
ACD
plus
is
angle
ACD plus
Angle
angle
plus
angle
DCB.
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 Include that angle ACD.
ACB we know it is 70 degree is equal to, we know ACD is same as DCB. No, we have to find out
So
D.
35.
These are equal.
Place
So
one.
instead of ACD, we can write it as what? Angle DCB
Angle
plus angle
DCB plus angle DCB.
Degree is equal to
70 degree is equal to 2 DCB. 70 degree.
20 degree divided by 2.
70
35.
degree.
Ma'am, 35.
30. So after this step, angle ACD is equal to angle DCB. After this step, either you can write this one or this one or this one. Understood? Which one? Only one is enough. Either you can write it after this one, this directly, or this one, which is convenient that you write. First you write both and write one in box. Which one is not apt to you, that you write in box. Any one method you follow, don't mix it. Okay, now? Can we do 8th one? Completed. Can I?
Yes, ma'am.
Then 8th question draw. Find x. This is name. To find out x. For our convenience, we mark it as A, B, C, D. So given, what are the things given? Sides, which are the sides equal? AD is equal to BD is equal to AC. Then also given angle ACB is equal to 42 degree. ACB or ACD anyway. That angle C is given as 42 degree. So since two sides are equal, if we consider which two angles, what about ADC? If we consider triangle ADC, AD is equal to AC given, therefore directly
Angle ADC is equal to ACB.
angle AD, opposite of AD. First I wrote AD. So angle ACD is equal to what?
Angle ADC.
ADC. ACD we have or not, or ADC we have. Which one we have?
And ACD. 42 degree.
Given ACD only, no?
AC.
Here, given ACD only, no? That is given in the question. Oh, okay, ACB, that is ACB, or we can write what?
ACD.
Angle ACD is equal to 42 degree. ACD, that is what? 42 degrees equal to angle ADC. That is ADC, we got it as 42 degree. ADC 42. Then next what we can? We have to reach the A, vertex A. How can we? If we consider triangle ABD, next.
BD is equal to.
Okay, BD is equal to, okay, consider triangle ABD. BD is equal to AD is given. So which two angles? BD means angle BAD will be equal to angle ABD. BAD is equal to angle ABD. Both angles, which two angles we got equal? So we have 42 degree. These two angles will be equal, we got. Then using the concept of what? Connection with the DAB and DBA, 42 connection with the, if we consider triangle ABD. Is there any connection? No. We can connect to something, no? DBA and
Rear angle is
exterior
Linear pair. The 42 degree.
Consider triangle ABD. If you are considering this triangle, 42 will be the exterior angle, no? Angle ADC is the, consider triangle ABD. If you are considering triangle ABD, angle ADC is the exterior angle. Not right, first listen. ADC is the exterior angle. So exterior angle will be what?
sum of opposite interior angles.
So that means what? This B and this A. So how can we sum angle
And
DBA and angle BA
BAD.
BAD. ADC is what?
42 degree.
Hmm?
42 degree.
Okay, ADC is equal to 42 degree is equal to angle DBA and BAD. BAD and DBA. That is DBA means what? ABD itself, no? Look at ABD and DBA. Both are same, no? Angle B only, no? DBA or ABD. This angle only, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Look at this, what we wrote. So instead of
Instead
instead of DBA, we can write what? ABD. Changing that vertex only, no? So don't write DBA. So it will make you confusion. Means write what? Angle ABD. Now no problem, no? ABD. So what about ABD and angle BAD? Both are equal, no?
replace anyone.
So how can we write? Angle BAD
Plus angle BAD.
angle BAD. Why? Because both are same. That is, since reason what? Since BD is equal to AD, that is angle BAD is equal to angle ABD. Both are same. We already proved that both are equal. That's why we wrote, instead of ABD, we wrote angle BAD. So BAD means what?
2 angle BAD.
2 angle BAD. BAD. 42 degrees equal to 2 angle BAD. So BAD will be what?
42 degree divided by 2.
BAD is equal to 42 by 2, which is equal to 21 degree. That is BAD is 21 degree means what? Both are equal. BAD and angle ABD. That is using this concept. ABD also we got it as 21 degree. This one we got it as 21. Here also we got which one? 21. That small angle. This one. We have to reach the X. X. X is the, if we consider that big triangle, X, that you have to complete. Others, tell me.
Angle.
X is a
Exterior angle of
exterior angle of, X is the exterior angle of triangle ABC. So exterior angle is equal to what?
Sum of opposite interior angle.
Which are the two opposite interior?
C and angle ACB.
That is angle B and angle C.
AC.
Okay, so right, consider triangle ABC. Consider triangle ABC. X is the exterior angle. Therefore, X is equal to what? Angle B plus angle C. That is angle ABC plus angle
AC.
So X is equal to angle ABC. Directly from the figure we can write, no, ABC means what? ABD, no? ABD. ABD is same as what? ABC. Both angles is B, no? If anyone need write here, angle ABD is equal to 21 degree. There itself you write what? That is angle AB. Instead of D, extend that ABD we wrote. That is ABC. ABC is equal to 21 degree. That is ABC, we can write it as 21 degree plus. Look at BCA, angle BCA, BCA. Instead of BCA, we wrote, instead of BCA, DCA, BCA. Instead of BCA, we wrote DCA. Look at D or B. Which one we wrote? This is 40. We wrote
Angle ACB.
ACD.
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 Yes, ma'am.
So near that ACD means what? We wrote angle ACD, no? ACD we got it as 42 degree. That is, down of that what we can write?
Angle DCA.
That is angle ACB is equal to 42 degree. That also we can change. Vertex B is equal to 42 degree. There you write. Otherwise it will make you confusion. From where you got this BCA, BC? That is ACD only we got, no. So how we will change that BCA as 42 degree? So you will get some confusion there. So better look at the figure and substitute the value. Figure means you won't have any problem. BCA means angle C itself. Vertex is the problem. So don't look at the vertex. As soon as you mark here, you have to mark here. What you have written here, that you have to mark. So no problem. BCA 42 degree. So X will be what? 21 degree plus 42 degree is what?
63 degree.
63. 63 degree. 63 degree. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, others? Can you follow me or not?
Yes, ma'am.
The ninth one. In triangle ABC, BD bisects angle B and is perpendicular to AC. If the lengths of the sides of a triangle are expressed in terms of x and y as shown, find the values of x and y. So draw the triangle A, B, C, then D, 3x plus 1, here x plus 1, y plus 2, 5y minus 2. In the triangle ABC, BD bisects angle B. BD bisects angle B. BD bisects angle B and is perpendicular to AC. So that two concepts we have to understand from that same sentence. If the length of the sides of the triangle are expressed in terms of x and y, so we have to find the values of x and y. If we find the value of x and y, that value if you substitute, we can find the value of that sides. We will get the measure of that sides. We need to find only x and y. So what are the things given? BD bisects angle B and is perpendicular to AC means BD bisects. Tell me. BD bisects. Given BD bisects angle B. Given BD bisects angle B and is perpendicular to what? To AC. So what we can write? Bisects, BD bisects means directly we can write what? AD is equal to DC. That means AD value we have x plus 1 is equal to y plus 2. So x is equal to y plus 2 minus 1, that is x is equal to y plus 1. Let it be equation number 1. Completed up to that?
Yes, ma'am.
Then we have to equate some other sides also, no? So then it will be easy. If the sides are equal like this, AD is equal to DC is given. Is given in the question, that's why we can write what? Bisects means AD is equal to DC. So we got equation 1. Then same way, if we get one other equation means directly we can. Two unknowns are there, x and y. Two unknowns are there in chapter 6 last year. 9th portion. Chapter 6 simultaneous. If two unknowns are there means we have to find a, we should have what? Two equations. Two unknowns, that is two variables. If we have, we need two equations. Suppose x plus 3 is equal to 5 means one unknown, one equation. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. X value we got 2. If two variables are there, we need two equations. Then only we can solve. We got only one equation, x is equal to y plus 1, x in terms of y or y in terms of x only we can write. So how we will get another equation? For that we studied congruency. So apply that congruency. If we consider that two triangles, if two triangles are congruent, we can say that all the sides, all the angles are equal. So how can we find a congruency here? Which two triangles if we consider? Triangle
Triangle A.
Triangle ABD and triangle BD.
Consider triangle. Consider not in the working column, near to this itself you write consider triangle ABD and triangle ADC. Congruency. Last chapter. Which one is given? 3 points given there, no? There are the 3 points given. Perpendicular. Read the question. BD bisects angle B and is perpendicular to AC. BD bisects angle B. BD bisects angle B means what is the meaning of that? These two angles will be equal. No, bisect. So which two angles will be equal? Bisect means dividing into two.
Angle ABD and angle DBC.
Angle DBC is given. Both are equal given because what? Given BD. Given BD bisects
Angle B.
That's why that B is divided into two bisects. So these two angles are given. That two angles are equal given. So one more point. So A we got for finding congruency A. One angle we got. Then your favorite. Which one?
Angle BDA equal to angle BDC.
Angle BDA is equal to angle BDC is equal to what? 90 degree is given. Perpendicular given. They are perpendicular, no? Given
Yes,
what? BD is perpendicular to AC. That's why we wrote 90 degree. BD is perpendicular. So one more A we got. Then
AD is equal to DC.
AD is equal to DC. That means AD is equal to DC means why we wrote that AD is equal to DC using the concept of which one? This angle only, no? Since B, that angle B bisects, that's why opposite of that means don't write. One more is there. Without that.
BD
Don't write
common.
this. BD common. BD is equal to BD. Once we wrote this angle means no need of writing AD is equal to DC. That same concept only, no? Using this isosceles, this chapter isosceles triangle concept only. So same concept only. So don't write that. BD is equal to BD. Common. Common. So BD, this one A, this is side, this one A. You see? Therefore, what we can write? Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ADC using what? Hello? Using ASA. Using ASA. Therefore, we can say what? CPCTC. AD is equal to DC, then CPCTC, then
AB is equal to C.
BC, CPCTC. 2 is enough. AD is equal to DC, we already wrote, no. AD is equal to DC using the same concept. We wrote that AD is equal to DC. So we wrote AD is equal to DC and we got X is equal to Y plus 1. So next we have to consider which one? AB is equal to BC. So using that we will get another equation. Understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Only B, yeah.
No, once more, please.
We have to find out which one. Another two sets. We have to form another equation. Then only we can solve the value of x. How can we solve x is equal to y plus 1? We can't solve, no. So we have to find another equation. So for that, we have to do only which one? That congruency only we can do. So we found these two triangles are congruent. That we have to do. If that two triangles are congruent means corresponding parts of congruent triangles are
Corresponding parts.
congruent. Congruent triangles. So AD corresponding side DC. AD is equal to DC. Then AB is equal to BC. AB is equal to BC corresponding. BD is equal to BD is common. So corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. That's why we wrote AB is equal to BC CPC DC and AD is equal to DC CPC DC. Since AD
Yes,
is equal to BC, since AD is equal to, that is BD bisects AB and perpendicular to AC, AD is equal to DC. Or before writing this, first you find congruency. Understood? First you find congruency before writing this. What you can do, if you have any confusion, what you have to do, if you got this question means first to find congruency. So now we got what? Now we got AD is equal to BC and AB is equal to BC. So what we can write? Since AD is equal to DC, what we can write? AD is equal to DC. AD value is what? AD value
What?
x plus 1.
Two y.
Y plus 2. Same only we will get. X plus, so x is equal to what? Y plus 2 minus 1. That is x is equal to y plus 1. That is equation number 1. Understood? First, if you are writing that you are getting confusion means after solving this congruency, AD is equal to DC. Since AD is equal to DC, then also what? Take the next one. AB is equal to BC.
AB is equal to BC.
BC. Up to this completed congruency part completed. Can I rub this?
3x plus 1
Can I rub
equal
this?
to
Anyone is writing? So,
Ma'am,
AB,
that consider ABD and triangle BDC only, no?
consider ABD. Consider triangle ABD and
triangle BDC only, no?
BDC. These two separate triangles.
I'm wrote a triangle ADC.
Oh, sorry. ADC I wrote. It won't
Yes,
be a
ma'am.
triangle. No, sorry. Doing mistake only. ADC, it won't be a triangle, no? ADC. Oh, I
no.
wrote that. Change it. Look at that.
Yes, ma'am.
Consider triangle. ADC, it won't be ADC in the straight line only, no? BDC only. These two triangles separate. ABD and BDC. Okay, correct it.
Next, AB is equal to BC.
So
3x
better
plus
if,
1.
one second. Better if you are considering ABD, what I told instead of considering BDC, what I told ABD. Instead of B, you write what? C,
B.
B, A, B, D. Same way you go like that way itself. Then only it will be easy next year. C, B, D. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Also, AB is equal to BC. 3x plus 1
Is equal to BC is what? 5y minus
is
2.
equal to 5y minus
So same way 3x.
3x
3x is equal
minus 5y
Okay, minus 5y.
minus 5y is equal to 2 minus negative 2
minus
minus
1.
1.
Negative
Equal to
3x minus 5y is equal to
Negative 3.
negative 3.
negative. So one thing you do, x is equal to y plus 1 simultaneous we have to find out. No. So x minus y, from there x minus y is equal to 1. Let it be equation number 1, that x and y together. Here equation number 2. Then simultaneous equation solving. Chapter 6. How can we?
Yes, ma'am. X minus y is equal to 1 into
X minus y is equal to, very important next year, chapter class 10. Chapter AP is the arithmetic progression. We need this solving.
3x minus 5y is equal to negative 3
Negative 3. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2.
into 3
Then how can we
3
solve this? Very
into
important.
3.
If we have the same coefficient means no problem. X minus y, here also x plus or x plus 2y means x minus x will be 0. We have to equate the coefficients.
We have to put
Either we can equate the coefficient of x or y. Anyway, if we are equating the coefficient of x, both are correct. Either you can equate the coefficient of x or y. So here I am equating with the coefficient of x
into 3 into 1.
into 3. So here
3x
coefficient of x 3. Here coefficient of simply x means what? 1. So that we will multiply here into 1. Any doubt in this? Anyone
Yes.
have any doubt in this?
No,
Please raise your hands.
no, ma'am.
Clear, no?
Yes.
Clear.
3y minus
So
3y, 3x minus 3y equal to 3.
Equal to
both sides you have to multiply by 3. Then 1 means nothing, no?
3x minus 5y equal to negative 3. 0 minus
Then do in the working column. 3x minus 3x is equal to 0. So no need of writing this part.
0.
Then negative 3y, we are subtracting. So minus subtraction symbol, then negative 5y is there. Negative 3y
Negative
minus
3y
negative 5y is equal to what?
negative 3y plus 5y.
Negative together we can take it as 5y.
5y.
One sign is positive, other sign is negative.
Two-
Subtract and put the
2y.
bigger number sign. So here
2y is equal
2y is equal to
3 minus 3.
3
3.
minus negative 3. So same
So
2
3 plus
negatives.
3.
3 negative. So 3 plus 3 6. 2y is
So
equal
y
to
is equal to
y
6 by 2 3.
y is equal to 3.
Y
Any
is
doubt
equal
in
to
this?
3.
Any doubt
No,
in
ma'am.
this?
No, ma'am.
Then
No, ma'am.
we have two equations. Simple equation we can substitute now, which is that simple one. Instead of multiplying by 2 and all, which is that equation. X plus, substitute that value of what is that? X is equal to y plus 1 or x plus y is equal to 1, no? Or x minus y is equal to 1.
X minus
X minus y is equal to 1.
X
minus y is equal to 1.
Substitute y is equal to
Y is
3
equal to 3.
in equation number 1. In equation number 1, we will get that is x minus y is equal to 1. Therefore, x minus
Y is equal to 1. X minus 3 is equal to 1. X minus 1 plus
that is x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 3. X value, y value we got. Okay. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.